Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to InfoGamer and Happy New Year. It's now 2021 and we're kicking things off strong with a brand new Among Us tutorial on the first Monday after the new year. I hope everyone's doing well and staying strong through these hard times. I know 2020 was a difficult year for many of us, but hopefully we can leave it in the past and move on to a brighter future. I want to thank all of you for subscribing and showing your support over the years. It really means the world to me, and I'm committed to work harder than ever to bring you more content and Unity tutorials than ever before. Hopefully 2021 is our year to really get this channel rolling, and so if you haven't already, make sure that you're subscribed to our channel, and let's see how many likes we can get on this video. Let's shoot for 100. Now once again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.